Polycom Studio is a powerful video conferencing device that is also easy to use. Connecting to your laptop and starting a call takes just a few simple steps. This video shows how to bring in your own laptop to start a call. In some rooms, there may be a dedicated PC to connect to Polycom Studio. In that case, check with your IT department for instructions. To use your laptop with Polycom Studio, you'll want to connect to both Polycom Studio and the display in the room. How you connect depends on how your IT department has set up the room. One way to connect is to plug into your laptop both the USB cable to Polycom Studio and an HDMI or other display cable for the monitor. Your IT department may have a hub device in the room that allows you to plug in just one USB-C cable to connect to both Polycom Studio and the monitor. Once you've connected your laptop, Polycom Studio should become the default audio and video device for your PC application, but you may want to check in the application settings to be sure before starting your call. Then, just open your video application and start the call.